Welcome back to Daytime Live, Women in Film and Television Jamaica. Yep, they've launched its inaugural screenwriting intensive workshop. And joining us now to tell us how you can become a part of this project and more about it is the wonderful President Stephanie Hazel Lyle.
That's right.
President Hazel Lyle, I love that. Welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure being here with you guys.
It's a pleasure to have you. It's the President ma'am.
So them say.
That's
yeah.
Hey.
She accepted the role.
Yeah.
I need to be the best position to tell us what exactly is the WIFTJA, was Women in Film.
It's Women in Film
Right.
and Television Jamaica. So we are one
okay,
of...
so WIFTJA?
No, you would say WIFTJA.
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 No.
We say WIFTJA, but so we are one of many chapters across the world under the umbrella of Women in Film and Television International, which is WIFT. So,
WIFTJA.
And when was it started?
WIFT.
Yeah.
here in Jamaica, you know what? We started so many years ago, but we rebooted in 2019.
Oh,
and so that we've been up and running since then.
You've been president since?
No, I've been president since last year. So I have a 2-year tenure. And so, yeah.
I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Because I know that this particular organization, you guys have done, I know a little more. I know that you have films and projects that's been at Cannes Film Festival. Cannes Film Festival is huge. We've won beer festivals and stuff like that.
Our members have really done well.
You guys
over the
are
years.
like awesome.
For sure. Mm-hmm.
That's my interpretation. Can you tell us why you guys started? Like, what was the need for WIFTJA?
Yeah. So an organization like this is important because, we were having a little rap before. It tends to be an industry where men outweigh the women, right? And so we find that if there's an organization where you can have systems and projects and, a really intentional approach to making sure that there's more equity, then we can balance it out some more, right? So that's all. It's not because we don't love men. We love men, and as a matter of fact, men are part of our organization as well as associate members. Left on, so
No.
There's a room.
Stephanie.
There's a space.
Stephanie.
What you say? Careful what I'm wishing for.
Careful what you're wishing for.
See?
Yeah.
See, you're making a woman lose out. Anyway, tell us about this workshop. What does it entail, and who's the target audience?
So it's a Screenwriting Accelerator program. It's funded or supported by the UNESCO Participation Program for 2025 to 2026. And we are very grateful to be a recipient of this grant. And essentially, it's to train up screenwriters. We want to make sure that the work that's coming out of Jamaica, the scripts that are coming out of Jamaica are excellent, top tier, high quality. So when you apply for your grants, Nisha, in London and all over the world, ours come up to the top because it just meets that standard. So it's going to be broken down in 3 parts. We have an intensive weekend, and that'll be the first thing. Because right now we're still taking submissions, and then that ends on Monday, March 31st. Right? And then after the intensive weekend, we have 14 weeks of just workshops every other week. Workshops, still very intense. And then everything closes out with a symposium towards the end of the year.
Beautiful.
Yeah, which is open to the public. So,
So speaking of being open to the public, couple of questions. How does a person become a member of WIFTJA? Because I know that that's a part of the prerequisite for being a part. So how do people become a part of WIFTJA? You said that the deadline for applications on Monday.
Yeah.
Do you need to also apply with a script? So that's 3 questions all jumbled in one.
Yes, right. So to become a member of WIFTJA, it's really simple. You just go on our website, wiftja.org, and complete the application form. It's there. Our annual membership, it's just $5,000. That's all.
That's really good for the year.
That's it. One payment.
Not per subscription or whatever, just a one lump sum
pay, and you're good. Yeah.
That's a $30.
Yeah,
Okay.
and we do ask that you submit a script if you'd like to. So it's for early career / emerging writers who don't yet have, maybe don't have a production credit to their name yet. It doesn't mean that it's for beginner writers. That's not the same thing. So you should have some sort of a little experience, a little understanding to start with to really benefit from this program.
Can you submit a script that you've already submitted elsewhere, or does it have to be a script that's unseen anywhere else? You know what I mean when I say
Yes, I do understand. At the moment, I don't believe that's a limitation. But any inquiries you can send to
She's like, halt, before you get too excited.
WIFTJA.workshop@gmail.com. In fact, tonight we have an online session where we're going to be giving out all the information to those who are interested. It's going to be on Zoom, and that's up on our Instagram right now. So the details for the Zoom link, it's all there. We're encouraging people to come and attend the online session so you can be part of it.
And as you said before, it's only open to women.
Yes.
That's okay. You can just say it's WIFT. Walking around to say, hey, I'm a member of WIFT. Where can we find you guys on social media?
Well, so it's WIFTJA on Instagram. That's our most active platform, although we are building out our LinkedIn and all our other social media channels. But that's the best place where you can get information. But you can also email us at wiftja@gmail.com, and of course our website wiftja.org.
And that's where you can find the application process information.
Absolutely, everything about the intensive, the accelerator. It's all there.
So much, Stephanie. And I love that we have partnership as well with Television Jamaica. So it's definitely an industry that's booming and
grateful to have Judith as part of
Hillberger
our membership.
You're going off.
Thank you. We have some plans.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Stephanie. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, guys.
All right. Daytime Live will be right back. And we're coming back. Who we'll come back with?
DJ. On the other side of the break, there'll be DJ AG Online.
That's his name. Check him out.
Music.